Hello everyone, in this video I will share how to power off on Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Here you cannot do power off like most cell phone. To power off, you can press the power button and volume up together like this. Okay, next you tap on power off. Okay, next tap again. Yup, successfully. To power on, you can long press the power button like this. Yup, successfully. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.